Kevin.
Kevin, how do you spell your name? K D V I N. Okay, Kevin. How are you today? How are you?
I'm 5 years old.
3 years old. What animals do you like? I like lion. I like tiger.
Lion.
Lion. What do you want to be?
Firefighter.
Now let's take a picture. What animal is it?
Tiger.
What can a lion do?
Lion.
It can
Lion.
jump. It can jump.
It can jump.
Yes. Who is she?
See.
She is a
Teacher.
teacher. Is she a nurse? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, she is. What is that up for? Up is for home. Yes. What number is it?
10. 30.
Good job. So easy.